All right, welcome back YouTube family. So today we've got a quick video. I want to show you guys a quick how-to. We're going to restore these headlights and get rid of a lot of the yellowing and the hazing on the housing of the headlight. So I want to show you a couple of steps that I do to clear these headlights up, and then you can choose to coat it after and whatnot. But I'll just show you the basic steps on how to sand back your headlights, buff them, and get that nice and crispy, clear headlight housing look. So at least when you use your headlights, it's nice and clear on the road as well, and it makes the front of the car real presentable. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick look on that, but I thought we'd make this one as a separate video on its own, just so you guys can look back on it later in case you want to restore your own headlights and use this for some pointers. When you've got stuff like this, crystal cracking, and you clear it, the clear actually goes inside the gaps and then pretty much gives a shattered look to the whole headlight. I've had to bin them before. Please guys, don't clear your headlights if you do see these signs. If anything, at the end you could do ceramic coating or a clear PPF wrap over the top of the headlight, and it would come up just as nice, and it gives that added protection as well. All right guys, so what you'll need is a buffer with a medium to soft pad, some buffing compound, some water in a normal spray bottle, some clean microfiber rags, and either 1500 wet sandpaper or 2000 wet sandpaper. If you're going to use 1500, you have to use this one first and the 2000 second, so you can have more of a fine sand, and this will be more of a rougher sand, the 1500. So rough sand, fine sand, or you can do stage 1 and then stage 2. Now, if you don't have a good hand for sanding, I do recommend you tape up the edges. So what we want to do is wet our headlight, wet our paper. For the video's sake, I'll show you with 1500 first, and then we'll finish off with 2000. Or you can skip the 1500 part and go straight to 2000, but this will give you more of a better finish. So you want to get the paper pretty much the size of the headlight, so we'll rip that just a little bit more. Now we've got a good size paper for the headlight, so as you can see, when we go this way, we're going to pretty much get it all without having a chance of nicking the paint. So what we want to do is just lightly rub it evenly across. The goal is to get as much of the yellow off the headlight as possible. So you'll see as we're sanding it, that yellow is coming off the housing of the headlight. And when it starts getting hard to pull across, just spray with a little bit more water. Now let's just say to get into a corner like this, we fold the paper, so when we hit it there, it won't go and nick the paint, and we can still get a nice and smooth rub. And now that when we're sanding, it's coming up white, not yellow, so we know that we've now removed majority of the yellow layer, which was sitting on top of the headlight. But our 1500 rub is going to be a little bit rough, so you will see some pretty deep scratches on the lens. So now we go over it a second time with our 2000. So this is our 2000 wet sandpaper now. Stage 2 should be the final step. What we'll do, I'll give this a wipe just to show you guys. It should be a nice and even haze across the headlight when we give it a wipe. So now we'll go over with a stage 2, which will be our 2000. All right, that's our 2000 wet rub done. All right, so now that we've finished our 2000 wet rub, you can see that we've got a nice and hazy layer across the headlight. Feels nice and smooth. Now what we'll do, we'll get our buffer out and our compound. We'll lightly put just a little bit of compound. I think that is a little bit too much there already as it is. And now we want to put it on like half setting, which is about 3. Max setting on this is 6, lowest is 1. So we'll start off in the middle at 3, and then we'll just work across the headlight, up and down, side to side. And now we'll slowly turn up the speed to 4. And now we'll go up one more speed setting and just turn it up to 5 and apply a little bit of firm pressure. Alright, and now let's give them a wipe. And just like that, that's one headlight done. Now I'll show you the difference. Alright, so this is our older headlight, and this is our freshly buffed one. Alright, now we'll tackle the driver's side headlight, and I'll show you the difference of them both done together. Let's go. So once again, we're starting off with our 1500 wet sandpaper. Alright, that's our 1500 wet rub done. Now we'll hit our 2000 wet rub. That should be enough sanding for that. We're not seeing any more yellow come off the headlight. So now we'll give it a wipe, give it a buff, and wipe it up, and I'll show you guys. Alright, so we just do little dabs, not too much. That's perfect. Rub it all across. And now we hit it with the buff. We'll go back down to 3. And let's hit it. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you're thinking about restoring your old plastic headlights, whether they're yellow or faded or scratched up, there's a quick 10-minute way on how to restore your headlights. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for you already subscribed, really appreciate your support. And if you haven't, you know what to do. Your likes, your comments, all goes a long way, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Road to 5,000, baby. Let's go. Peace.